Yeah, how to register to my passive trades. It's very simple. So let me show you. I'll just show to you a short video that will walk you through how to create my passive trades account very easily. So let's go. Let me zoom this video. Okay.
Hello and welcome to my passive trade. This is a short tutorial how to register on my passive trade page. So first of all, if you have the sponsor, then your sponsor give you the link. So make sure you use his link, and once you open it, just go here to register, click on it, and here you see the sponsor, and make sure that here it's your sponsor name. Then go and put your first name, your last name, your email address, and then copy it and put it here once again, and choose your username and choose your password, and security question, and here make sure you write this down, because you need to set security question and you need to set the answer. And after, if you will be changing anything in your account in my passive trades, you will need to know the answer on your security question, because the system will ask you all the time. And especially when you're doing withdrawals, you can't do withdrawals without your security answer. So make sure you write it somewhere and save it. And I will just put this and this. Once you do this, then click this, I agree, and click register. And you can see that registration successful. You may now log in to your account. So that's it, everything about how to register into my passive trades. It's very easy. So see you in the next tutorial.